What's up, guys? On top of the week, Manchester United fans will fund extended time for a Sierra Leone United fan whose dreams were crushed after learning that the United game was abandoned on Sunday. The man known as Moses was said to be completely distraught when he heard the news. However, a few of his friends decided that they will fund the rest of his trip so he can have the chance of making his dream of stepping into Old Trafford a reality. And that's just a reminder that there is still good in the world. So let's get straight into this week's football action, and these are your headlines. False alarm at Old Trafford. Ibra bids farewell to PSG. Outrageous football kit in La Liga. The bomb scare on Sunday at Old Trafford seems to still be a major talking point. The stadium was evacuated when a suspicious package was found in the bathroom area in the northwest section of the stadium on Sunday before the Manchester-Bournemouth clash. Assistant Chief Constable John O'Hare from Greater Manchester Police said, "We have since found out that the item was a training device which had accidentally been left by a private company following a training exercise involving explosive search dogs. The dummy device was left in error by Security Search Management and Solutions Limited last Wednesday." United's Executive Vice Chairman Ed Woodward is now ordering a full investigation. The company would be held responsible for the false alarm and are now at serious risk of being hired again by the Reds. Although Woodward has been placed in the firing line for making that final decision to abandon the match, he claims that if a similar episode should occur, they will make the same decision. The Premier League has also reassured fans that abandoning the fixtures is always a last resort. Bournemouth offered free coach travel for supporters for today's match. Zlatan Ibrahimovic announced on Friday that he will be leaving Paris Saint-Germain. The Swedish captain netted 2 goals in his last game, coming away victors 4-0 against Nantes on Saturday. Club president Nasser Al-Khelaifi said that the club plans to name a stand in honor of Ibrahimovic. The 34-year-old stated after Saturday's game that he is sure where he will be next season. Ibra is closely linked to Manchester United and LA Galaxy. La Liga 3rd Division team CD Palencia have revealed their new 2016-2017 kits by Kappa. The kits are said to be inspired by, well, I'd let you figure that out.
No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. 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 Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. No. I refuse. No. No.
Yes, the human anatomy. The only thing that's normal about that entire kit is the plain socks. And that brings us to the end of this week's football news update. I'm Renata Singh. Keep your head in the game.